Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong isang reaction video dito sa modernization ng lower amortization for PUV program. At ito ay hinihiling ng mga drivers na mababang presyo, pero kinansila ito ni PBBM na kailangan ito ipagpatuloy ang modernization program sa jeepney. Alright, not further ado, let's do watch dito sa ating reaction video. Alright, let's watch yan.
PUVs under the PUV modernization program is expensive. Senator Villanueva says the cost is too much for the PUV operators' minimal earnings. This forces some PUV drivers and operators to cease their operation to avoid debts, which results to increase in unemployment rate in the country.
Mismong Land Bank officials, mismong DBP officials, mismong sila nagsabi na yung amount na 2 million cost na gusto mong i-push dito sa modernization, napakataas.
Senator J.V. Ejercito expresses the same sentiments and emphasizes the need to find a solution to lower the amortization through longer payment scheme.
Pero ang pinaka-key rito na nakikita ko, yung success of the PUV modernization will depend on the financing, sa funding, sa financing scheme. Kasi hanggat 2.5 to 2.8 billion ang isang modern jeep, napakamahal, hindi kaya ng ordinary jeepney and operators yan.
With this, among others, the Senate issues a resolution recommending to suspend the implementation of the PUV modernization program while the issues are being resolved. This is to ensure more efficient and inclusive implementation of the program. 22 senators signed the resolution, while Senator Robin Padilla noted he has reservations. Senator Riza Ontiveros, on the other hand, was the only one who did not sign the resolution. Senator Cynthia Villar supports the PUV modernization but also signed the resolution and suggests partial implementation of the program.
Yung mga ready na, pwede na. Tapos in partial implementation, di ba? Baka handa na sila eh. Bakit mo naman sila pipigilin kung handa na sila? Maybe partial implementation na, yung mga handa na, pwede na. Mag-implement na. Hindi.
Asher Kadapan Jr., UNTV News and Rescue. We
Alright guys, napakinggan
glory to
panood
God.
po natin guys dito sa ating UNTV. At maraming salamat sa inyong lahat at sa panonood at kinig dito kay Rob Trip. And see us again the next one. Alright, thank you guys.